We are here at Collegetown Center on the 4th floor landing. You can see the elevator is here on our right. Let's go on in. We're going to see apartment 400. I wanted to show you the position of this apartment. So we are next to the elevator. Let's go on in. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. This is a unique 2-bedroom apartment. It's on the south side, and this is the only one with this style layout, this 0-0 line, which is on floors 2 through 6 of this 6th floor elevator building. As we enter, you can see on the left, that door is a closet. On the right is our bathroom. Let's take a look. We'll go in the closet first. So this is an extra closet. So this is great. You've got this huge extra closet for more storage space. This is great for coats and boxes and luggage and things like that. The bathroom is over here on our right. Let's take a look in there. So it's like the other bathrooms we've seen here in Collegetown Center. So we have that tub shower with the sliding door. There is the sink and the vanity, the toilet, and you can see there are a pair of those small cabinets on the wall. One is a little bit open so you can see inside. So that's the bathroom. Let's go on in. We'll see the common space and then the bedrooms of this gorgeous apartment. As we go in, the kitchen is over here on our left. I'm gonna turn back around so you can see we came in and down this hallway, and here's our kitchen. So we've got the stove oven, the microwave, the dishwasher and sink, the refrigerator and cabinets and drawers. This does have a longer kitchen cabinet than some of our other 2-bedroom apartments, or kitchen layout than some of our other 2-bedroom apartments, and you get some extra drawer space. Let's take a look at the living space. So this 0-0 line, again, on floors 2 through 6 of this building, is the largest layout of a 2-bedroom. So we have our living room space here, and we've got the seating areas, that dining table and chairs, and a couple of tables. And we'll go take a peek out this window. We'll go out and see some of the other windows as well, where we can get a better view. So we're facing to the south. You can see that window next to us. That is the window of bedroom 2. Both this living room and bedroom 2 have the angle style window. Let's see the bedrooms. Here is bedroom number 1. That's on the left side of the kitchen. As we go in, the bedrooms will both have the same items. There's a desk and chair, a dresser, and a tall bookshelf. There is a full-size bed for the bed. It also does have that large window. Remember, this is the one with the flat window. We'll get that closet open. It's a good-sized closet for your hanging items. Let's go take a peek out this window. Again, we're facing south. We're on the south side of the building. That's away from the Dryden Road side. We are above the parking lot of the building. You can see both the College Ave parking lot. College Ave is over on our left. And our upper Dryden parking lot. Parking spaces are available as a separate contract. You can contact the rental office for more information about parking spaces to secure a space. Let's go across into bedroom 2. Here's bedroom 2. This is the one with the angle style window. Again, same items, bookshelf, desk and chair, dresser, full-size bed. Let's take a look out this. So this angle window part, everything out here, this is a little bit of extra space. So you definitely get some more space, and this is definitely a bright window with the extra window space. And that's our view to the south. So we have beautiful southwest views going over here. This is directly south here. And this is to the east. And again, you can see College Ave and parts of some of the parking areas here. And this one, the closet is over here. Let's take a look inside this closet. This one is a more unique closet layout. It has that shorter hanging space, but it goes a little bit deeper in there. So that's a look at Collegetown Center apartment 400. This is a 2-bedroom apartment here at 151 Dryden Road, and we are located just 1 block to campus here in the heart of Collegetown.